Choosing a cough syrup can feel like navigating a maze. First, identify if your cough is dry or productive. For a dry cough, look for dextromethorphan to suppress that annoying tickle. If it's productive, go for guaifenesin and ammonium chloride to loosen mucus. Consider any other symptoms too. A sore throat? Syrups with honey or menthol can be a game changer. And always read the labels. Some syrups have antihistamines that can make you drowsy. Lastly, check with a healthcare professional if you're on other meds or pregnant. It's all about finding what works best for you, so choose wisely.